Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Installed Cobian Backup and administrator rights because the service needs elevated access. Once done, open the app and create a new task so you can begin immediately. Select your source folders and pick a destination, local, NAS, or FTP, so files have a secure home. Also choose the backup type, full for a complete copy, incremental to save space, or differential as a middle ground. This choice affects time and storage. Next, configure the task details so backups run reliably. You pick a schedule, daily, weekly, or a custom interval, and set an exact start time. This avoids conflicts with peak usage. Then enable compression and optional AES encryption to save space and secure data. Make sure to set run as user credentials for network access, add pre- or post-backup commands if required, and adjust retries and bandwidth limits so backups finish without disrupting other services. Finally, run a manual test backup and restore a small file to confirm everything works. You want to verify file integrity and timestamps. Once satisfied, enable the task and monitor the first scheduled run. If errors occur, open the Log and Windows Event Viewer to pinpoint permission or network issues. If backups fail due to access, run the Cobian service using an interactive account or fix NTFS permissions. Then rerun the test to ensure the problem is.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.